TGIF East Texas, watch out for some dense fog developing across central and southern sections, the I-20 and I-30 corridors. Visibility is now less than a half a mile in many locations, down to 0 now in Jacksonville. So use the low beams. Give yourself plenty of space between you and the vehicle in front of you. We're in the 60s across all of East Texas this morning thanks to the cloud cover. And you see the clouds widespread across the area. These things are going to hang tough and be fairly pesky because the cold front has pushed to the Gulf Coast. We have a disturbance to the south and west. And so as that warm air rides up over the cooler, drier air in place, we get the clouds, and closer to the front where you have lift, you get the rainfall. But for us, the cool area is off to the north and west, but we've got to watch this system in the southwest. That's our next weather maker. Eventually, it's going to lift north and east, and that will bring us changes heading into next week. But for now, as we go throughout your Friday, expect more clouds and sunshine across the area as temperatures climb into the mid-70s. Could see a sprinkle or an isolated shower, nothing too widespread. Now, as we go into football this evening, lots of clouds, but mainly dry. Temperatures falling from near 70 through the 60s during game time, so a little on the cool side, but not bad. We'll wake up to clouds for your Saturday morning, but we should go with partly cloudy skies by the afternoon with some sunshine showing back up, with highs, though, only into the lower 70s. Now, heading into next week, that upper level low finally kicks out towards the north and east. A cold front pushes to our south and stalls, and so when you combine the two, we'll have several little ripples of energy moving through, giving us waves of rainfall across the area. And some of this rainfall could be a good soaking rain. Exactly what we need with the drought conditions continuing to worsen. We could see anywhere between 1, 2, maybe up to 3 inches of rain in some spots. Your first alert 7-day forecast, a mixture of clouds and some sunshine. Temperatures in the 70s. We only could be in the 60s for next week. As Election Day approves, we could be seeing a good chance of rainfall makes its way across the area here by that time. Hey, I want to give a special shout out to the students at Kissama Elementary School in Chapel Hill. This is Miss Chancellor's second grade class. And then you even see Quentin there in that shot there. Quentin and I had a weather battle. And he actually beat me. He is that good. He is a new forecaster, so he'll probably be taking over from me very soon. But great job and great shout out to those guys out there. Had a good time.
How does a weather battle work?
Well, I'll tell you what. We put a weather map up on the wall, and we forecasted for the future, and he did better. I missed the high pressure
watch
there.
out, Cedric.
I know. I got to work on my eyes a little bit.
So funny.